Hello guys and welcome back. So now is Tuesday and we are going to see what happened on Monday because everyone was expecting big liquidations, big crash, everything to drop and whatever. So we're going to check what happened with the S&P, with SpaceX and with Bitcoin and what's happening today as I'm filming. I'm not sure will I release it today or tomorrow because I have to leave to go to work soon. So I'm really tight on my schedule. And yeah, let's see. So on Monday, S&P closed at 0.18 minus 0.18, which is not a big, it's really not a big deal. However, today on Tuesday is going 143, 142 down. It was 155, 156 when I checked it a bit earlier. However, it's wiggling around this area. We will see where it closes. However, it was more. I was somewhat expecting to see this on Monday, but yeah, everyone was expecting that, so that's why it didn't fall. Maybe if too many people are expecting the same thing, it will not come, it will not happen, or it will happen with delay or before it the expected date. So let's see what happened to the SpaceX. And we can see SpaceX was had a pullback of 14.17 yesterday, which that's a big drop. That's a huge drop. And I'm thinking to check the gold as well, but it's a big drop and everyone was expecting somewhat of a drop. I don't know if on Monday or another day, but everyone was expecting a drop on SpaceX. Let me know in the comment section if you expected as well, and I think I will buy it when it goes further down, but right now I'm tight on my budget, and the price is a bit high. I mean, it's a bit early to say what's a good price for this. So let's check what happened on Bitcoin chart. So yesterday we see plus 1.13%. So everyone was expecting the Monday drop. However, it came on Tuesday. So let's see. Right now we stay at 2.52 and the market is still open. The candle is not closed. It was 2.70 something earlier when I checked it. And yeah, let's see what happens on gold. Come on. Okay, so we didn't have a Monday drop on gold either. We had plus 0.88 and now we have minus 191 and the market is not closed. As I said, we will see what will happen in the near future. However, it looks like it's on a downtrend. You might see it go back up a little bit, up to 4,400, 4,500, and then going further down. But it looks like it's forming a mountain, classical pointy mountain. So let's read some posts from X as well. First one is from Coin Bureau and it's 2-in-1 actually. So update, it's a very recent post. Bitcoin crashed below 62 as 175 million in long gets wiped out in 60 minutes. So yeah, that was a big liquidation. Let's check the 1 hour chart. Yeah, it looks bad. It looks like we had liquidations. It dipped a little bit below 62k. However, not for a long time. That's hourly chart, and we had we went to 61,800. Wait, let's see. 61,893, but for a very short period. Yeah, you can see it on You can see it on the 15-minute chart. Okay, let's go check the next post from Coin Bureau, because it was 2 in 1. So oh, it was this one. Okay, I'm a bit stressed because I had some losses as well, and I have to go to work soon. So yeah, let's see. Look on chain says whale gave up and closed his entire 500,000 XYZ. So it was 36.85 million long, and he lost 2.9 million in just 33 hours, which is a big sum. I mean, if I would have that sum of money, I would be living happily and would trade it like 10% of it or something like that, and securing the rest in dividend stocks or other stuff. But that's just my plan. Yeah, I wouldn't gamble, but probably he has more money than this. I don't think someone with this amount of money would just gamble with all his wealth. Maybe it's a much bigger whale. So that's just the fin getting affected, getting scratched on his fin, on the whale's fin. That's a bad joke, but however. So let's see. The next post is also from Look on Chain. The wallet linked to Arthur Hayes withdrew another 45,156 hype, 2.93 million from Gate 1 hour ago. Over the past 2 weeks, the wallet has completed 2 profitable hype swing trades, making 508k profit, which is a nice profit. I would be able to retire on this and just be a trader and relax somewhere on some island with this money. I would do that. However, I have to go to work soon. It will be 10 long hours. Let's go to the next post. And Trump's quantum EO puts crypto on a 2030 deadline. The US government now has a 2031 deadline to move critical systems to post-quantum security, Bitcoin ownership. I think, that's a lot of fear mongering. This one is from Coin Bureau as well, which I used to follow way more seriously, and now I'm checking them from time to time. So a May report warned Q-Day could arrive as early as 2030, putting up 7 million Bitcoin at risk if crypto fails to upgrade in time. So an upgrade might be coming, and probably it will in the last moment. We still have time until that day. That's wow. In another one today, Trump signs 2 new executive orders on quantum tech. It's funny to me because some countries are still using pen and paper, and we are, quantum is coming. We have to fear the future. And I think it's a lot of fear mongering, and for me, that's the bottom signal that I'm usually waiting, because last time when I was in the market, when it was, I think before, it was in 2019, something like this, and it was, China is banning Bitcoin, whatever, it's going to zero, fear mongering everywhere and shit like this. But yeah, we still had another bull market, and usually when it's this kind of fear mongering, it's the bottom. And as I said, maybe it's a double or a triple bottom. We will have to see, but something has to happen to make the trend change, come back. However, nobody knows, or I don't know at least what will happen, because I think it's we enter conspiracy theories territory, and I don't really want to go there, because it's going to take me 10 hours to put all the lines and the things on the map. Let's check silver really quick. What happened to the silver? So it also formed, that's a sharp drop here, and I think I remember the day of the drop. It's worse than crypto. Jesus. It's like 26.77, and that's just the close. 20 even more. further down. So yeah, silver is not it was a good purchase maybe here, and if you would sell it around this area would be nice. Let's see, let's say you buy it here in August and then you sell it on you could have 3x on this, but given the fact that it's just silver, so you would double x, you could have a nice profit, even better than crypto for this past year, unless you got lucky with some meme coin and something like this. Let me know what you guys think. I believe it's bottom. It's just bottom signals. I used to look at these guys when it was the bull rally, and I had Solana. They said, oh, it's going to be at 600, at 1000, and it was 200 something, and I sold it. 230, 240, I sold it. And I didn't look back. I mean, I looked a little bit what will happen, but I got a good trade, just reversing the market sentiment, and I really believe that now it's a good time to purchase anything, not anything, but a lot of cryptos and a lot of alts, because nobody believes in them. Everyone says, oh, it's going down, and for me that's just bottom signals over bottom signals. And yeah, but anyway, let me know what you guys think, and I hope you enjoyed. See you with the next one.